हेलो। आज के ट्यूटोरियल में हम लोग ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं एक बर्ड विद एक्रिलिक कलर। First on the canvas I sprayed some water and then I gave sap green and lemon yellow, and then with a big flat brush I will give the first coat of color on the canvas. Okay, तो पहले ही आपको एक कोट देना पड़ेगा कलर का कैनवस पे, फिर आपको उसको सूखने को देना पड़ेगा. So after the first coat of the color you have to let it dry and you have to mix the colors properly, and I want the big top part is the dark green and the round part will be the little light green. And when it is dry you can give another layer of green and yellow, and this layer will be little more thicker than the first layer, and you can see the color is looking much better when we give the second layer. So आप इसको ऐसे घुमा घुमा कर भी दे सकते हैं या फिर slanting line में भी. Just it should be properly mix up. And in the down part I want little more light, so I add little more yellow in the down. Now you have to let it dry again, and when it is little dry and little weighty I spread some water on the paint and remove some color which will give a different texture on the painting. Now the paint is fully dry, so अभी मैं उस पे एक 6B पेंसिल से बर्ड का आउटलाइन ड्रॉ कर लूँगा. ड्राइंग हो गया. अभी मैंने लिया प्रूशियन ब्लू एंड टाइटेनियम वाइट एंड लिटिल ब्लैक. So first of all I will make a grey color with black and white, and I will color the belly part of the bird with that color. So ग्रे का टोन लिटिल डार्क होगा बेली के नीचे के हिस्से में, और फिर धीरे धीरे वो लाइट होता जाएगा. ये हमारा फर्स्ट लेयर है, और बिग में भी थोड़ा हम ग्रे करेंगे. सो बिग का भी ग्रे कलर हम कर देते हैं. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट लेयर. हियर वी विल नॉट गिविंग एनी डिटेलिंग थिंग. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ द बर्ड. आई एम मिक्सिंग लिटिल वाइट विद द प्रूशियन ब्लू, I get this sky blue और the light blue, और wing का पार्ट और head का पार्ट जो है वहाँ पे हम लोग ये ब्लू कलर का टोन यूज करेंगे. And I'll add white and grey shade again in the down part of the tail. And अभी डायरेक्ट प्रूशियन ब्लू से मैं एक डार्क शैडो क्रिएट कर देता हूँ बर्ड के बॉडी पे, जहाँ पे मैंने ब्लू कलर किया वही उन्हीं साइड्स पे. और हेड का पार्ट मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा पतला हो रहा है, तो वहाँ पे मैंने एक्सटेंड कर दिया डार्क ब्लू एंड लाइट ब्लू एंड वाइट के मिक्सचर से. देन विद द ग्रे कलर आई do some detailing of the feathers on the bird. Now let's make the leg with the grey color. First we will make the leg, then we will going to make the branch. Some more grey on the beak and the grey part. Now I mix the scarlet leg with blue, and I got a dark color for the tree branch. First I give the dark shade, then I add little more scarlet leg with the mixture and make little brownish shade for the branch. And for this parts I'm using a round brush, and for the bird body part I used the medium flat brush. With the same color shade mixing with black and white, I make the eye first shade is the light shade, like a dark gray, then I add the black directly for the eye and some detail on the beak. Now with the Prussian blue I will add the feathers detailing, and this part you only can do when the blue part is dry. अभी एक्रिलिक जो है वो बहुत जल्दी सूख भी जाता है, so you don't have to worry about it. So now just giving some more feather detailing on the body, mainly the blue part. And now little dark shade near the belly part of the bird. अभी हम डायरेक्ट वाइट कलर से जो ग्रे पार्ट है वहाँ पे थोड़ा फेदर्स ऐड करेंगे, थोड़ा ब्राइट फेदर्स जो डायरेक्ट वाइट से ही होगा. You don't have to mix up any other color for that. And I'm here using the very small brush, a outline brush like 00 or 0 you can use. So this way only with white you can make the feathers this way. Okay. Now little detailing with white, some highlight on the blue part also. Now I just add direct black on the eye, and with the white I gave a dot for the reflection on the eye, and you can see the eye is looking more better after giving that small dot. Now let's finish the legs detailing. So for the legs I am using I used first white directly, then I make it little gray, and then with the white again I give some detailing. On the tree branch also I want some highlight on the other side, so I use white color there and blend it with my finger. Now some more detailing on the feathers. I want some yellow shade, so I use the lemon yellow near the tail part. And little shadow with black color directly. So this yellow is optional. If you want you can give that, or else you can finish your painting on that part also. And now just let's finish the big detailing with black and gray. So, and I have some black in my palette, so I just use it in the corner for some shadow in the background. Now with yellow just blend out the black part with the background. So now our painting is ready. I am removing the tape. This is the most satisfying thing to do. If you like the painting, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. It will give me motivation to make more videos like this. Thank you, and keep painting and keep creating new things.